This is Dr. Kenyon Godwin of Active Family Wellness Center, and this is our newest practice member. This is Ava. Ava was born on February 11th, and her adjustments actually started while she was inside of mommy. We took care of mommy throughout her pregnancy, and now I had the opportunity to give her her first adjustment. As you can see, Ava is out. No fuss, no crying, she is knocked out. So she's gonna sleep well. I did warn mommy that she may have a big blowout diaper. Unfortunately, you can't bring her back to the office for that. But if you have a baby, or if you're pregnant and you're wondering what is chiropractic, how does it affect pregnancy, or having a baby, what do you think about it? What do you guys say about that, Princess?
Oh, I loved it. It helped me with my back aches and just literally walking every day and just mobility and sleeping and everything. It helped a lot.
Great. So again, welcome my newest practice member, Ava. She's now what? Almost what?
2 weeks.
2 weeks today. That's right. I can't count, I promise.